Does Discount Tire patch tires? Yes, Discount Tire offers tire patching services for free regardless of where you bought your tires. Below is a detailed guide on Discount Tire's tire repair service, including what they offer, how it works, and important details to know. 1. Does Discount Tire patch tires? Yes, Discount Tire provides tire patching and repair services for most flat tires free of charge, even if you did not purchase your tires from them. 2. What type of tire repairs does Discount Tire offer? Tire patching for punctures in the tread area, tire plug and patch combination for a more permanent repair, valve stem repairs if needed, flat tire inspections to assess the damage before repair. 3. Is tire patching at Discount Tire free? Yes. Discount Tire offers free flat tire repair services, including free patching and plugging for repairable tires, free tire inspection to determine if the tire is safe to repair. 4. What tire damage can be repaired at Discount Tire? Punctures up to 1/4 inch in diameter located in the tread area, tires that meet safety standards after the repair, tires with no sidewall damage or significant tread wear. 5. What tire damage cannot be repaired? Sidewall punctures or damage cannot be repaired. Tires with excessive wear or low tread depth, large punctures or multiple punctures close together. 6. How long does a tire patch last? A properly patched tire from Discount Tire can last for the remaining life of the tire as long as it is done correctly and the tire remains in good condition. 7. How long does a tire patch take at Discount Tire? A typical tire patch at Discount Tire takes about 30 to 60 minutes, depending on how busy the store is and the condition of the tire. 8. How to get a tire patched at Discount Tire. Visit any Discount Tire location with your flat tire. The technicians will inspect the tire for free. If the tire is repairable, they will patch it at no charge. If the tire is beyond repair, they will recommend tire replacement options. Discount Tire offers free tire patching services for repairable flat tires, regardless of where you bought your tires. With quick service and a strong commitment to safety, Discount Tire is a reliable choice for tire repairs and maintenance.